Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we gather here at 5th Avenue and 65th Street to protest against whatever that law passed by Mr. Sultan Mahmood, and we want to condemn that, and we want to convey to our Pakistani Consulate that they should send our message to the government that we want to repeal this ordinance as soon as possible, immediately actually. And we want all the political prisoners in Poonch, in Muzaffarabad, in Mirpur, Kotli, Havelian, all over Azad Kashmir, and in Gilgit-Baltistan. They should release all the political prisoners. And we want to convey to Pakistan government to stop using militant organizations which are banned in Pakistan, but they are allowed to work in Azad Kashmir, and they are intimidating our people and our leaders, and they are threatening our leaders for death and other consequences. So we want to ask the authorities to stop using those militant organizations in Kashmir. Thank you very much.